Hello, my name is Ghost, and my coach and I are on our way to the Doggy Olympics. We are so excited. We have to travel quite a ways from our home in Seattle, Washington to get to the games. We drive through a roundabout, reverse, and decide to detour to the south to take a route with less traffic. Upon arrival, first we need to check into our hotel. Perhaps I should ring the bell for service.
Nice job. Good job.
I whisper into my coach's ear that I want the penthouse suite.
Good boy. Nice job. Good job.
Here, let me type the reservation name into the computer myself.
Good job. Good boy. Nice job. All right.
After getting settled into my hotel room, I take some time to pray that my competition will go well.
And pray.
Amen.
Good boy.
Let me tell you a little about myself. I am a versatile multi-sport athlete. I am a champion weightlifter. Oof, that is heavy.
Boy. Nice job.
I am also a soccer star. You always get one warm-up shot. Here's the big one.
Yes.
Goal!
Good dog.
And most of all, I am a talented gymnast. Please enjoy my floor routine. I begin by reversing into a handstand,
Good boy. Good boy.
followed by a few pirouettes on my platform.
Got it. Good. Got it. Good boy. Nice job.
And a clean dismount. Next, I perform a series of acrobatic jumps and partner dance moves.
Good boy. Nice job. Very good. And touch. Good boy.
I hope you enjoy the choreography we practiced together.
Good boy. Good boy. Touch. Good. Park it. Yes. Good boy. Sit. Wait. Okay. Good boy. Wait. 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 Good boy. Nice job. I got touch. Down, down. Chris and cross. Yes. Cover. Cover. Good boy. Good job.
When I have completed my routine, I take a big bow for the cheering crowds.
Good boy. Nice job.
I am awarded a gold medal. And I happily pose for all the paparazzi photos.